Are pimples, oily skin, or sudden breakouts making you feel uncomfortable? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share a simple, natural, homemade skincare routine that can help you get clearer, healthier skin without expensive products. Hi, friends! The teenage years bring many changes, and your skin is one of them. Acne, oiliness, dryness, and blackheads are very common during this time. During puberty, hormonal changes increase oil production in the skin. Pores can clog more easily, and bacteria may cause pimples. This is completely normal, and sometimes almost every teenager experiences. But here's the good news. With the right daily routine and a few natural remedies, you can keep your skin clean, fresh, and glowing. The key is gentle care and consistency. During the teen years, skin is still developing and can be more sensitive than adult skin. Heavy makeup and harsh chemical products can clog pores, irritate the skin, and disturb its natural balance. This may lead to breakouts, dark spots, and pigmentation, sometimes making teens feel they need even more makeup to cover the problem. Instead, focus on gentle care, simple home remedies, and healthy daily habits. When you support your skin naturally, it stays clearer, stronger, and healthier in the long run. So let's begin with a simple routine. Healthy skin is supported by daily habits such as washing the face twice a day, keeping your hair clean and away from the face, avoiding unnecessary touching of the skin, sleeping on clean pillowcases, drinking plenty of water, and eating fresh, wholesome foods. Start your day by washing your face with a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. Always use lukewarm water instead of hot water because hot water can dry and irritate your skin. Here are some gentle, teen-safe homemade cleansers that clean the skin without stripping its natural moisture. They remove oil and sweat, prevent clogged pores, and help reduce pimples. Here's the first one: raw milk and honey cleanser. For normal to dry skin, raw milk gently removes dirt while honey moisturizes and soothes the skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw milk with a few drops of honey. Apply using clean fingers or cotton. Massage gently for 30 seconds, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use once daily. Second, gram flour. Gentle cleanser for oily and acne-prone skin. Gram flour absorbs excess oil and cleans pores naturally. Mix gram flour with enough water or rose water to form a thin paste. Massage lightly onto damp skin and rinse. Use once daily. If gram flour is not available, you can go for finely ground oats or rice flour or sandalwood powder or even plain yogurt, all of which gently cleanse the skin and help control excess oil without irritation. Third, oatmeal soothing cleanser for sensitive or irritated skin. Oats calm redness and gently cleanse. Grind plain oats into fine powder. Mix with water to form a soft paste. Massage gently and then rinse. Use once daily or as needed. Fourth, aloe vera gentle cleanser for all skin types. Aloe vera cleans while soothing inflammation. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to the face, massage lightly, and rinse after 1 minute. Use daily, especially for irritated or acne-prone skin. These cleansers are simple, affordable, and suitable for sensitive and developing skin. Now, here are some tips for teenagers. Always use gentle pressure. Never scrub harshly. Always rinse with lukewarm water. Pat skin dry instead of rubbing. Always patch test new ingredients before use. The most important step in your morning routine is sunscreen. Yes, teens need sunscreen too. It prevents dark spots, protects against sun damage and stops acne marks from becoming darker. Use a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, even when it is cloudy. Next step, after cleansing, apply a moisturizer. Many teens skip this step, especially if their skin feels oily, but this is actually a big mistake. Moisturizer keeps the skin balanced, prevents the skin from producing excess oil, and protects the skin barrier. Choose a lightweight, oil-free or gel-based moisturizer. Here are some natural options. If your skin feels dry or tight, you can use glycerin to moisturize. Glycerin attracts moisture to the skin and helps keep it soft and hydrated without feeling greasy. For oily and sensitive skin, natural moisturizers should be light, soothing, and non-greasy. Fresh aloe vera gel is one of the best options because it hydrates, calms irritation, and absorbs quickly without clogging pores. You can also mix a few drops of glycerin with rose water and apply a thin layer to keep skin soft and balanced. For extra soothing, cucumber juice or coconut water applied lightly can refresh and hydrate sensitive skin. Some quick natural tips for teenagers. If your skin becomes oily during the day, gently apply rose water with cotton. It will refresh and control excess oil. For small pimples, a tiny amount of aloe vera gel can soothe the skin. If you want an instant fresh feeling, rubbing an ice cube wrapped in a cloth over the face for a few seconds can reduce puffiness and tighten pores. Next, nighttime routine. At night, wash your face again to remove dirt, sweat, and pollution collected throughout the day. If you have active pimples, you can use a spot treatment containing benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Apply it only onto the pimples and avoid overusing it, as too much can irritate the skin. Finish with a light moisturizer to help your skin repair and heal overnight. If your skin feels dry, applying a tiny amount of glycerin mixed with aloe vera gel can provide extra hydration. Now, here are some natural home remedies that can support healthy skin using simple ingredients found in your kitchen. Here are some treatment masks for dry skin. First, honey moisture mask. Applying raw honey to the face for 10 to 15 minutes helps lock in moisture and soften the skin. It can be used 2 to 3 times per week. Next, aloe vera gel. Fresh aloe vera gel can be applied once daily, especially at night time, to soothe dryness and support skin repair. If the skin feels very dry or flaky, applying a thin layer of fresh aloe vera gel mixed with a drop of glycerin and honey can deeply hydrate and soothe the skin. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse gently. Why this works better for teens? Because it's lightweight and non-greasy, soothing and calming, helps restore moisture balance, and less likely to clog pores. Next, banana nourishing mask. A mashed banana mask is another nourishing option that provides vitamins and leaves the skin feeling soft. The banana nourishment mask can be used 1 to 2 times per week for about 15 minutes. Next, oil control treatment for oily skin. Rose water works as a natural toner that refreshes the skin and tightens pores. It can be used once every day. Next, Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth or Indian clay, is an ancient remedy that absorbs excess oil. Mixing it with rose water, glycerin, and honey, and then applying it for about 10 minutes once or twice a week can help keep the skin balanced. Next, fresh cucumber juice can be applied once daily or every other day for 10 to 15 minutes to help cool the skin, reduce shine, and soothe irritation. Next, neem paste, made by crushing fresh neem leaves, or you can use neem powder, has natural antibacterial properties and may help prevent pimples. Neem paste should only be used 2 to 3 times per week, applying a thin layer for about 10 minutes before rinsing, since daily use may be too drying for young skin. Next, spot treatments for acne. Acne often develops due to excess oil, bacteria, and clogged pores. Some gentle home remedies may help calm breakouts. First, turmeric spot treatment. A small amount of turmeric mixed with water can be applied directly to pimples to reduce inflammation. Only a tiny amount should be used to avoid staining. Remember to apply only to pimples. Next, tulsi powder, also known as Indian basil, can be used to make a paste and applied to affected areas to help calm redness. Sandalwood cooling pack. Sandalwood powder mixed with rose water creates a cooling paste that soothes inflamed skin. Next, tea tree oil plus aloe vera spot gel. Tea tree oil mixed with aloe vera gel can be used as a spot treatment, but only in very small amounts. All the home remedies mentioned for teens should be used exactly as I mentioned. Even though they are natural, they shouldn't be used every day. Some as needed and some once or twice a week, because using more than recommended will not speed up results and may only irritate the skin. Try to avoid touching your face repeatedly, as this spreads bacteria and can worsen breakouts. Popping pimples might feel tempting, but it can lead to scars and longer healing time. Sleeping with makeup on clogs pores and leads to breakouts, while using harsh scrubs every day can damage the skin barrier and cause irritation. Next, some important tips for teens. Always patch test any natural remedy before using it. Use remedies in moderation and be gentle with your skin. Now, when to see a doctor? Professional care may be needed if acne is painful, deep cysts appear, scars begin to form, or over-the-counter treatments do not help. So, what's the final message? Clear skin does not come from expensive products. It comes from simple daily habits, patience, and gentle care. Stay consistent, stay confident, and remember that your skin does not need perfection. It needs care. I'll see you in the next video.